Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to show you what your new daily activities look like. And I also wanted to remind you how to work the Techbook because you're going to have some independent work this week inside my learning. And I want to make sure you know which buttons to push. And this way your parents can also help you. So we're going to click on my learning. And we're going to go to courses, homeroom. Right, and you're going to see that I changed it. There's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. On Monday, if you click there on the pineapple, this link of chains, this means this is a learning activity. This piece of paper and pencil icon, this means that this is an activity for you to complete and upload. So there's 3 things for you guys to complete on Monday. This is learning. So when you click here, it's going to open up that Techbook. And we've looked at these before, but it's been a little while. So I want to make sure you remember some of the parts and pieces. The first piece is that, remember, there are 8 pages here. 8 pages for you to go through. The way you go from one page to another is with these green arrows. Okay? And you can go back and forth. The most important thing for you to remember is that this play button reads everything to you. I want you to use this. I know the voice is funny. I know it's a little slow, but that way you will get all of the information that you need to get. So if you press play,
skip to main content, menu, glossary, print, resources, toolbox, bookmark, speech tool, 1 of 8, previous home next, elementary science grade 2, states of objects and materials, solids, liquids, and gases, solids, liquids, and gases. Chef Pierre in his kitchen. Hey there. I'm Chef Pierre and I love to be in the kitchen. I have my own restaurant, where I get to make new food for lots of people. I love to experiment with food. I love to see what...
All right, then there is the pause button over here. If you get interrupted or you have to go get a drink or for whatever reason, this is the pause. You can see it highlights the sentence it's on. When it's done reading this page, I'm going to click here at the arrows. Okay, and then I want to show you one other thing. Inside each page, sometimes there's like a mini book, and you're going to use these arrows here. You want to make sure you're getting all of that information and that it is reading it to you. Okay, and then there are some quizzes and some activities for you to do within this. This is your first assignment on Monday. So I want to make sure that everybody has this video to be able to go through. Okay? If you have any questions, you know where to find me in the Zoom room. I hope everybody had a great weekend, and I can't wait to see your smiling faces tomorrow.